First carrots. How do you like them? Do you like the carrots? Are they yummy? More. Are you having your carrots? They're orange. And they're yummy. They have beta-carotene. Do you want more? Up your hands in the carrots. Are you feeling the carrots? Are they mushy? Oh. Dude, it's hard to make your own video when you're holding and feeding. Oh, you're taking Ema's hand and you're doing it yourself. Yeah, you smiling? You like the carrots? Let's make sure I don't. Oh! There you go! Yum! Yum! Look, and your bib says, Daddy's little angel. Carrots. Do you want more? You gonna hold the spoon? Yeah.